Hey guys, welcome to the show. Today we're going to do some AI video generation. We're going to be using the latest models. I got VEO 3.1, I got Sora 2 Pro Max, I got all of the good stuff.
If you choose me, or will you take the prize money?
Using this service called HIGGSFIELD AI. They got pretty much all the models you can use. They got Wan 2.5, very open source adjacent model there. You got Minimax, you got Dance Pro, you got Sora 2 Pro Max, and you also got the latest VEO 3.1. And what's good about this site also is you can actually click on some of the examples they got there, and you can see the full prompt that they used to generate this generation. And they got apps as well. So here we got an ASMR add-on, or what I love here is this one, the roller coaster one. So you can provide it with an image and it will either make you a video or an image based on that image showing you on a roller coaster. That's amazing, okay? If you're interested in this service, I'm on the ultimate plan. That gives you 1,200 credits a month, and that's around 20 1080p VEO 3.1 generations a month. So if you're interested in that, check out the description. But now it's time to do some prompting. We're gonna make some videos. I've got VEO 3.1 selected, but I'm also gonna be doing comparisons with Sora 2 and Wan 2.5 on the maximum settings. With my subscription, I can get 4 concurrent generations. So that means I can pretty much run them being generated at the same time. So let's go ahead and do this, VEO 3.1. So for the prompts, I'm gonna give it something. I saw this show the other day. It's called The Wrong Side of Paris. It's about a dating show. So I'm gonna see if I can generate a dating show themed related prompt. So dating show finale where the bachelor has to select his model. So it has to declare his love, because I want to test out the voicing and the whole, lip syncing of the situation. So this is going to be interesting. We got this enhance on, so it's going to take my prompt and it's going to make the prompt better when it enhances on. It's also got something called HIGGSFIELD Assist. So you can actually ask it and give it tips, and it'll tell you hopefully how to best use its tools. So before hitting generate, there's one more thing left to do. Is you can upload a reference image, or you can generate it. It says generate it. You can draw to video, so you can draw what you want is going to happen to the video. So I'm just going to generate the image first. And the good thing about providing an image, a reference image for creating the videos, it helps keep that consistency. So if you're switching between views or frames, or you have different models, it's going to keep the same sort of facial structure. All right, so we've got 4 images generated. I'm going to go for this one here because it looks kind of fun. And now I've got this as a reference image I can use to create the video. So I'm going to upload it, and that's going to be the starting frame for our video generation. That's going to be cool because when I'm comparing it against VEO 3.0 to see how much is improved, then Sora 2 and Wan 2.5, we're going to have a bit of consistency there. So I'll click generate and let's see what it does. So it's in the queue, it's going ahead and processing. And I've got the dating show finale, all that kind of stuff. I'm also going to generate it using the exact same prompt using VEO 3. So we can have a side-by-side comparison, see if it's improved. I've selected over here Sora 2 Pro Max. Seems like it's the biggest one available, and you can go up to 12 seconds of video generation. So that sounds really awesome. Again, let's not generate it because we already did that. Let's just upload the image. And this one's going to cost me 150 free credits. So it's going to be some serious situation happening. So hit generate. And for my 4th generation, I'm going to use Wan 2.5. Now, Wan 2.5 isn't open source at least yet, or open weight at least yet. Wan 2.2 is open weight, but 2.5 gives you the audio speaking capability. So you're going to get 10 seconds at 1080p. And I'll run this as well. So that'll give you an idea of kind of like the closest open source adjacent model you can use versus the professional ones, and you kind of see the differences between them. This one's going to cost 40 credits, and we'll hit generating, and we're generating all 4 models at the same time. If you try doing this on on even one of these guys on your own computers on a big Mac Studio, they'll probably take you at least half an hour for one generation. Now that's just with 4 seconds or 5 seconds. 12 seconds, you're looking at a few hours to be done, if you can even do it. You have to use a quantized model. It's going to be a world of pain, but here you're just using their servers and it's in progress. So we're going to give it a little moment, and hopefully it's going to come with a response very soon. And just like that, we're already back with one model. So we're about to hear and see the finale of the show. What is she gonna pick? Is she gonna pick the bachelor, or is she gonna pick the money?
If you choose me, we get married tonight. But if you take that money, this is the end for us.
That's funny. Hey, Nora, check this out. I'm just going to get my wife's point of view on this scene because she also watched The Wrong Side of Paris. So it's just a short video generation. I kind of want to generate the next scene now. So there isn't a generate next, but you can kind of change the prompt and see what happens. Hey, do you want to see the scene? Oh, you got the baby. Okay, we got a special guest on the show. Hello. Okay, so we're watching the finale of an AI generated dating show. You ready?
If you choose me, we get married tonight. But if you take that money, this is the end for us.
Oh, it's really good. It's exactly like the film we just watched yesterday called The Wrong Side of Paris or The Wrong Paris or something. And it's exactly the same and they look really good. Wow, you could believe that's real.
That was a VEO 3.1. Okay, I'm going to make the other generations and I'll show you. That's cool, isn't it?
You did that?
Yeah, just made it online.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Whoa.
You can't tell that it's AI.
Yeah,
like
of
you can tell, but it's only going to get better.
This is so cool. This is so cool.
I just had to get a little second opinion because I was very, very impressed with that. Now let's compare it with VEO 3.0.
So, will you marry me or will you take the prize money?
Oh yes, it's gotten better. It's gotten better. This one looks worse. Different dialogue because everything's getting generated on the fly. You have to be a lot more specific in your prompt if you want to have a bit more consistency in the dialogue, so you can give it the words to say. But you can see VEO 3.0.
So, will you marry me or
it looks a bit more artificial. Yeah.
if you choose me, we get married?
It's
tonight.
definitely nicer.
But if you take
Definitely
that money,
nicey.
this-
Definitely nicer. But let's see how it compares now. Oh, Sora 2. It goes against your guidelines. So unfortunately we can't do Sora 2. So it looks like VEO is less restricted. So you can do, I guess OpenAI, they take their generations more serious, debatably. But for this one, I didn't like the idea of a dating show finale. So you can't use that for that one. I would have liked to say dating show finale. Let's just keep it very, very open and just see what it does. I'll run that again with Sora 2. Just keep it very, very open. Hopefully it won't reject my prompt. And finally, we got Wan 2.5, 10-second generation. Oh, that's really dramatic. Oh, that is dramatic. Oh, that was drama. There wasn't any vocal dialogue there, but there was a lot of drama in that scene. I love these faces are all messed up, but yeah, that was the most dramatic. The camera just zoomed right into the face. It was a very, very tense moment there. I didn't know if she was going to say yes or no. I'm kind of like, I'm engrossed in these made up characters. That was pretty cool. So I'll give Sora 2 one more go. Hopefully it will be good. But you can see that VEO 3.1 is definitely better than VEO 3.0. That looks less official, more artificial over here. 3.1 is definitely on the right track. Man, only imagine how it would be like next year or in 10 years time. That's it. The world is over, and the open source JSON one runs really well. And this is all just being instantly made over here. Well, again, wasn't able to make it with Sora 2, unfortunately. Maybe she didn't like my image, but we saw with VEO and Wan 2.5, you got some amazing generations here. So lots to explore. Like I said, you can put yourself on a roller coaster. You can use the assistant application to play with it. And they got so many community examples over here. So if you want to get some interesting pans, the camera moves fast, straightforward. You can use a lot of their prompt for inspiration. And again, if you're interested in the pricing plan, I want the ultimate, and that's 1,200 credits a month. And that is pretty awesome, I think. So let me know what kind of video creations you guys are gonna make. I expect some professional level video quality productions out there. Leave a comment. I wanna watch your videos. That'll be really cool. And if you're interested, I've got a link in the description as well. You can always check that out if you're interested in signing up. Hope you guys found this video useful and enjoyed the show.
If you choose me, or will you take the prize money?
I'm sorry, but I have to choose the prize money.